Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by clamping the Amish yarn Swift solidly to a table edge. This stops wobble while you work. Once clamped, loosen the hub so the arms rotate freely and inspect each peg for smooth movement. Next, position the yarn skein over the arms and find the yarn center. Keep it taut but not stretched. Doing this first prevents snarls later and makes winding consistent, so take a moment to set tension and confirm the Swift spins smoothly before moving. You now spread the arms evenly to match the skein's circumference so the yarn sits flat and balanced. Once spread, thread the yarn center through your ball winder leader or create a small loop to anchor to a nostopin. This ensures even feeds. Start turning the winder handle slowly, observe the yarn path and listen for catching. If tension looks right, increase cadence to your steady rhythm. This controlled start prevents twists and builds a uniform cake shape as you continue. You finish by winding until the cake reaches the size you want, slowing as the center fills to maintain shape. Once done, stop the Swift, remove the anchored loop, and tuck or secure the yarn tail into the cake to prevent unraveling. If you hit a snag, literally pause immediately, don't force the handle. Untwist or rewind the last few turns by hand, free the tangle at the skein, then resume. This prevents tightening knots and keeps your yarn usable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.